This isn't an FPV drone at all. It's just a regular drone, but I turned it into an FPV drone with using Goovis Art. With this setup, I can see clearly while flying without relying on my phone screen. And all you need is a Type-C cable. Just plug it from your drone remote into the Goovis Art. And that's it. Now here's the best part. You can move around freely while flying and you are not cut off from the world because you can still see your surroundings. That's what makes the Goovis Art such a great feature, not only for drone flying but also other devices. I'm using this Goovis Art to see what I can see while flying this drone. Amazing! The Goovis Art is a head-mounted display designed to provide users with a private, large-screen viewing experience. It features dual micro OLED displays that simulate that effect of watching a 110 inches screen from a distance of 4 meters, delivering high-definition visuals with minimal distortion. At first glance, this Goovis Art looks a lot like military-style night vision device you would see in a video game. It uses a suspended lens design, which helps keep it compact with lightweight on the front. You will find the indicator light and logo, while the top has all the control buttons for easy access. On the side, there's a dial to adjust for myopia up to -3.5t. Inside, you can see the two eyepieces with a distance sensors right in the middle. As for the wearable part, it includes a headphone jack and a Type-C port. And on the side, you will notice built-in speakers for an immersive audio experience. The Goovis Art features a lightweight, futuristic design with a minimalistic black finish. One of its standout features is the open style viewing, which allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while watching content, great for multitasking or drone piloting. The adjustable headband and soft cushioning ensures a comfortable fit, even for long viewing sessions. One of the things I love about the Goovis Art is its versatility. It works seamlessly with variety of devices, smartphones, gaming consoles, laptops, and even drones. Just plug it in and you're ready to enjoy a private theater-like experience. Put simply, here's what this device does. Imagine you are having a FaceTime call or watching a video on your phone or a laptop. You are at the airport or a train and there are people sitting next to you and you don't want them to see what you're watching or who you are talking to. What do? Instead of holding your phone where everyone can see it, so you just put the screen down where there's Goovis Art and your problem solved. People around you won't be able to see anything on your screen. That's the whole idea of Goovis Art, and it works really well. This is called D4 dongle. It works like a power bank and whole Android system where you can enjoy Netflix, YouTube, Prime Videos, Display Plus and other many apps because you can download the app from the Play Store. This D4 dongle needs to connect Wi-Fi or your phone hotspot to work. This D4 dongle worth to buy definitely. Here's one more thing that I would like to mention. You know how you're watching a movie from a distance and everything looks blurry because you can't see clearly? Well, this Goovis Art solves that problem too. It offers adjustable interpupillary distance and a diopter adjustable dial, making it suitable for people with different visual needs. Even if you wear glasses, you can still enjoy a sharp and clear picture without any. And here's the kicker, it supports both 2D and 3D viewing modes. So where you are watching your favorite movie or diving into immersive 3D content, the Goovis Art delivers. So is the Goovis Art worth it? If you are looking for a portable private cinema experience with a stunning visuals and great compatibility, it's definitely a strong contender. It's deal for entertainment, gaming or even work. What do you think? Would you like to try it out? Let me know in the comments below, and I put the buying link in the description so you can check that out too. And as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mr. Laowai-English Tech for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one. Bye.